We've been in business for 42 years, and this is where we grew up. I grew up here on the farm. Becky has worked the books, took care of the books for all 42 years. We've been very fortunate and blessed, with all the places that we've taken care of. Just worked on the side like everyone else did starting out. I worked another job full-time, and then it grew, and then I got married back in 1983, and I told Becky, I think I want to quit working and do this full-time.
And I said, okay, that's all right, let's do it.
I think one of the biggest things that we've always strived for is anything that could save labor. And one of the machines that we have is that Smart Gate, which it'll unload mulch, stone into wheelbarrows and saves all the extra labor, saves a man's time. All the mowers that we have, the tractors, everything, just anything to save labor, I think is what's so important in this trade.
We've always kept a log for all the maintenance on the equipment.
My guys know that I expect it to look good. I've always said, keep it in as best shape as possible in case the Kiko boys are coming in. I'm not trying to cinch anything going into the final months of our business. Everything we do, and the guys who maintain it for me, they know that. I mean, there's never an issue where it's like, well, what about the money? And it's like, no, I want it done right. And that's like the jobs that we do.
The equipment's always in working order.
Yeah. I think, a business is a lot of your own morals, and I think Becky and I have very high standards, and we want our integrity, I think, was very important with the jobs we did. And, I always said money wasn't as important as in the morning you look yourself in the mirror, and if you can do that, then it's a good day.